Alexico is basically one of the oldest extrusion aluminium companies in the GCC, established in 1977. And we have 4 extrusion presses producing quality products, as you can see in the background here, around 33,000 tonne capacity. And we'll aim to do around 28 to 30,000 tonnes in 2016 of aluminium extruded products. These are supplied in what's called mill finish condition, as well as powder coating and anodizing, and we have representation here on the stand of those sections. Our workforce is around 170 employees, very experienced workforce. We have a quality management system based on ISO 9001-2008. In terms of extrusion dies, we have a maintenance department which manufactures the dies. Basically, our markets are Saudi Arabia and also Bahrain, of course, the UAE, Qatar and Oman. Alexico also provides its own system designs, including the luxury system design, the Alexico luxury system, which is for windows and doors and the curtain wall systems. And these are all internationally certified to give the best possible heat resistance, wind resistance, water resistance in terms of the final structure. We also make thermal brake systems for windows and doors. And we see this fair, this particular exhibition, as very important in terms of assisting and providing support to our marketing operations in the region. By introducing ourselves to new customers and potential new clients, it'll obviously help us establish and grow the business more.